Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you this look for you guys. I was inspired by Ipsy's new glam bag for the month of March. The theme for March's glam bag is to create something, be as artistic as you can. So this is what I came up with. I used everything that came in my Ipsy glam bag for you guys this month. So if you guys are interested in seeing what is in this glam bag and how to create this super spooky, clownish, drag queenish makeup look, then please keep watching. So before we get into the actual tutorial, I just want to show you what comes in the Ipsy glam bag for the month of March. It's black and white and it has a bunch of different faces. They're trying to go with the theme of being creative. It has a cute pink zipper, which is really nice, and then the inside is just black. So the first thing that comes in the glam bag for the month of March is this right here, and this is a product by Glossier, and it's their balm.com, and it's in the flavor mint. It's basically a chapstick for your lips. Moving right along, we have another product by Royal and Langnickel, and it's this right here. This is a super cute, beautiful little fan brush. It's so cute. Kind of like goes with this look a little bit, sort of, kind of. So the next thing that comes in the glam bag is a face mask. This is a Korean face mask by the brand Faith and Face, and basically this is supposed to be a face mask that you use before you put on your makeup. And last but not least is a product by the brand called Winky Lux, and I got a highlighter. This is supposed to be a holographic highlighter, and this is in the color Charm. Without further ado, let's jump right into this tutorial. So the look that I'm going for today is kind of like a combination of Dusty Ray, the drag queen. He uses a lot of dots and black and very kind of like dramatic colors. And I'm also going to be combining it with Little Pound Cake by Alaska to make myself look kind of like a creepy pink-ish vintage doll slash clown. So to start this look off, we're going to actually be moisturizing slash prepping our skin for our makeup, and today I'm going to be using this face mask by Faith and Face, and it's supposed to help with pore care, softening your skin, and moisturization. So let's go ahead and put this on. It looks to me like it's a Korean face mask, and I'm super excited because the packaging is super cute, and let's just see how this works. So this face mask doesn't say how long you're supposed to leave it on for, but I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes so I can get a little bit of it in my skin. Now that our skin is all prepped and moisturized, I'm gonna add some chapstick to my lips because my lips get very chapped during pretty much all year round, so I always need to make sure my lips are nice and hydrated. And for that today, I'm gonna be using this Glossier Mint Balm.com lip balm, and I'm super excited because it's in the flavor mint. So the first thing I'm gonna do before I start my foundation is I'm gonna actually block out my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna be using the glue stick method, and I'm just gonna speed through that because I am gonna be having another tutorial showing you how to do that in detail after this tutorial, so be on the lookout for that. So you can just kind of watch me do it for now. So once you have your eyebrows completely covered, you're going to want to go in with your foundation and cover your eyebrows and your whole face. And I'm actually going to be going in with a white TV Krylon paint stick to make my face white, since we are going to be a clown. So once you're done covering your face in all white, we're going to go ahead and set this cream base with a white powder. And I'm actually just going to go in with my Taco eyeshadow by Sugarpill and set everything with that. For my eyes, I'm going to be drawing on a new crease since we have so much lid space now since we blocked out our eyebrows. And I'm going to be taking the Makeup Geek eyeliner in Orchid. It's a pretty purple color, and we're just going to start lining where we want our crease to begin. Now I'm going to be taking my Sugarpill Pro palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Poison Plum, and we're just going to be smoking out that line to create a nice crease color. So once you have the purple on your eyes and you are satisfied with the blending for now. We're gonna go in and we're actually gonna cut the crease. So I'm just using the same foundation that I was using before, which is the TV Paint Stick in the color 070, which is a white color. Once you have your crease cut out, you're gonna want to set that really quick with some translucent powder. Now I'm gonna be taking my Winky Lux holographic highlighter, and this is in the color Charm, and I'm gonna be putting this in my inner corner. Now for some glitter, I'm gonna be applying some 3D pink glitter by MAC all over that crease you see there, and I am gonna be just applying that with my finger and some Too Faced glitter adhesive. Here's a trick if you want to get the glitter off your face, is take a clean brush of your choice. I'm taking my new Royal Nickel fan brush, and we're just going to be dusting this glitter off our face. Once you're done with all the glitter, we're going to be going in with eyeliner, and I'm going to be making a big dramatic cat eye. As you can see, I left the outer corner of my cut crease open because we're just going to cover that with black anyways. So let's go ahead and do our cat eye. Now that we have our winged liner on, we're going to go ahead and darken up the crease and kind of blend that edge into our crease for a more dramatic smoky eye look. I'm just going to be using Bulletproof by Sugarpill to do this. So I am going to go ahead and start our lower lash line. And for our lower lash line today, I am going to be enlarging our waterline. So I'm actually going to leave a gap in between where our real waterline is. I'm just going to be taking the same purple that we used before, and that's going to be Sugarpill's Poison Plum. So for my top lashes today, I'm going to be taking some 301 lashes and applying those. So for my lower lashes, I'm going to be taking these Elegant lashes in the style 111. Now I'm going to take some liquid liner and I'm going to draw on our inner corner lashes. So now I'm going to take my liquid liner by NYX in the color Vivid Blossom, and it's a nice lavender color, and I'm just going to be drawing some circles and dots around my eyes. So once you're done doing all your dots on your face, you're going to want to go into your lips. And for lips today, I'm going to be taking two matte Makeup Geek lipsticks, and I'm going to be taking this pink one called Bachelorette and this kind of royal blue Wild Child one, and mixing them together on my lips to create the perfect purple shade. So I'm going to actually put down the pink first and then put the blue on top and kind of mix it together until I get the purple color. Now I'm going to add a little bit of white to the center of my lips just to get a little bit of an ombre going on. So continuing on with the lips and the dots, I'm just going to apply some dark purple dots, some lavender dots, and I'm going to highlight them with some white and just make them look more three-dimensional. So you guys can just watch me do that, but I'm just using some lipstick and some liquid liner to do this. our final step for makeup, I'm going to be applying some highlighter to our face, and I'm going to be using this highlight to go on top called a Disco Queen by Urban Decay. So, hope you guys like this look. I'm feeling very kind of like dark and spooky, kind of like Sharon Needles a little bit, and mixed with some Acid Betty. If you guys are interested in getting an Ipsy glam bag, the link will be down below, and I just want to say thank you, Ipsy, for collaborating with me on this video. I'm super excited to work with you, and I really did like this glam bag. I really do like this look, though. I think it came out really cool, and I hope you guys like it, too, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!